Weird step noise. I was alone at home, scrolling through my phone late at night when I heard it. The soft sound of footsteps upstairs. It wasn't the house settling. It was too deliberate, too slow. My heart skipped. I stood, frozen, listening. The steps came again, closer this time. I had to be imagining it. I mean, I was the only one here. Right? I grabbed my phone and texted my roommate, but there was no response. I walked toward the stairs, my hand gripping the railing as I took the first step. The footsteps stopped. I waited, holding my breath, but no sound followed. My mind raced. I shouldn't go up there. But then I heard a whisper. "Come up here. I'm waiting for you." I froze, unable to move. My blood ran cold. There was no way I could go upstairs now, not with that voice, that command. I turned to go back to the safety of the living room, but before I could take a step, the whisper came again, louder this time. "I'm already behind you." I spun around, but the hallway was empty. Then I felt it, a cold breath on the back of my neck.